Damn, son. Oh God, oh God, oh God, are you gonna stop? Hey, buddy. Holy shit. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Dylan, and I'm on lunch break. So I'm just cruising around on the motorcycle through the old town. There's some good news coming up. There's gonna be a game that's gonna be released here in a few days. It's gonna be good, I tell you what. It's a game called Kana, Bridge of Spirits. It's about a girl, she's a spirit guide, and she tries to help all of the wandering lost spirits pass on and everything, and she uses all of her special powers and everything that she has. It's got another 1 day and 15 hours or something. I'm looking forward to playing this game. I'm going to make a pretty good series out of it, hopefully. You know, it's going to be really good. Hoping everybody out there is going to enjoy it, whoever's going to see it and everything, and you're going to be able to watch the series and watch the playthroughs, and I'd really like to know how you all think about it, or what you all think about it. Even though the game is probably rated T for teen or rated E for everyone, it's still going to be a really good game. I've been looking forward to it. I've pre-ordered it 2 months ago, and I've been waiting a long time for it to come out so I can start making some videos on YouTube for it. That'd be really awesome, and I really hope you all enjoy those videos. And I hope you all really enjoy let me hug my grandma. I hope you all enjoy the motovlog videos. Hopefully we can actually get to see some pretty good shots and scenery on the bike trips that I'm going to go on here pretty soon. I just want to know what you all think about it and everything, so if you don't mind, if you like it, you can drop a like. If you don't like it, you can dislike it. It's all up to you all. If you want to, you can subscribe to the Active Matrix channel so you don't ever miss another video. That would be really cool too. Oh God, oh God, oh God, are you going to stop? Hey, buddy. Holy shit, macaroni, dude. Damn, son. Crazy, dude. I really hope you all enjoy the videos. Forgot my phone was down there. My phone's magnetic, everybody, so don't worry about it falling off. The only time I ever put my phone here on the gas tank is whenever I'm just in town riding around. I would never have my phone there if I was out on the highway, just because it'd probably blow off. Definitely wouldn't be good. It's an iPhone 12 Pro Max, so I do not want to lose this phone for sure. So that's coming together pretty fast. Hopefully we can move in there. That'd be really cool. Right now I'm living at home with mom and dad and everything with my kids, so we're looking for a place to live. It's just a little difficult to afford it, you know. So I'm kind of hoping YouTube could come through with it. A bit of a payout. That would be cool. That would be really awesome. And if you all like the content and you all react to it, you know, I think the reactions is what mainly gets the suggestions put out there. So the more people that see the videos that I'm posting and all that. So that would be really cool, you know. Hopefully, if you all like the content, you all will hit that big like button, the big thumbs up button, and give the video a big old like, and it'll be suggested to more people so more people can see it, and hopefully I can get a bit of a buck or two out of YouTube. That would be pretty cool. That would be actually really awesome. I'd much rather have YouTube as my full-time job, because I really feel passionate about creating content for YouTube and filmography and cinematography and, you know, everything about cameras, lights, and action stuff, you know, and scripting and acting and all that good stuff. What I really enjoy the most. I have a lot of passion and I love it a lot, so hopefully my, that's crazy looking. A little dump truck on that big trailer, that's funny shit. It's like a meme in itself right there. I'd really like to have YouTube as a full-time job, pay out pretty good money and everything, so me and my family can live comfortably. At the moment, we're not really living all that comfortable. Me and my girlfriend have to sacrifice a room. We sleep out on the living room floor and everything. No air mattress, just right on the floor. So yeah, I really hope everybody likes the content and, you know, reacts to it and everything to get that stuff out there. So hopefully one of these days, this will be my dream job can become a dream come true. That would be really cool. You know, I really appreciate you all watching the content. If you do, you know, Please hit that subscribe button so you don't ever miss another video. And my name is Dylan, the Sack of Matrix, signing off. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye!